What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Ethereum, currently sitting at 1.1K. We're bouncing as we called in the Discord, and we're up 6%, 6.5%, sitting a market cap of 142 billion, 24-hour volume 12.19 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Once you make your first deposit, you can email me your sign-up email, and I'll give you completely free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. Let's hop into the charts. So we completed ABCDE corrective triangle, in my opinion. Still looking to come down. What I'm looking at is the ending diagonal here. If I zoom out, so we have a wave 1 into a wave 2, ABC into a 3. Looking to come down in the wave C of the wave 3. So let's zoom back in here. And what I'm looking at here is we've come down in a wave 1 of the wave C, and we're looking to put in a wave 2, and as you can see, we have a beautiful 3-wave move, which is typical of an A, B, C correction into a wave 2. So we're looking for a rejection in between 1152 and 1195, and then start to come down in that wave 3, which would take you down. Let me actually quickly do a measurement here. Trend-based sweep extension, top of wave 1 to the bottom. If we were to get rejected here at the golden ratio, then your wave 3 target would be down at 940. Put in a wave 4 and a final wave 5, that would likely take you down to this trend line of support at about 855 for the price of Ethereum. So far, our predictions have been playing out to a T, which is awesome to see. So if we do end up pushing and coming up and breaking this high at about 1228, that would invalidate a 1-2 setup, and we'd have to look at a more bullish scenario. But as of right now, we're focused on continuation to the downside. Popping over to our next chart, this is just I've drawn the channel a little bit differently here, but as you can see, with the high volume nodes, I talked about this in our last Ethereum video. We broke down from these high volume nodes. Look where we found support at the next high volume nodes. Now this is here on the 4-hour time frame. We have a bullish divergence, created basically an equal low, higher low on the RSI. So that is something to watch here. Could be a signal of seeing a little bit of a higher bounce. Also on the daily, we created equal low, a little bit of a higher low. So we'll see if Ethereum pushes up to retest that resistance at about 1224. And then of course your next strong level of support is down in between about 998 to about 1051. If we do continue to break down, and then you're looking at about 780 to about 858. And we have to scroll all the way back to the previous bull market high, where you can see there was some support in that area. That's best case scenario for a bottom for Ethereum, in my opinion, but I think it's more likely we're coming down to the 500 to about 650 range, as we've been covering on the channel. So in the short term, look for a rejection. If we get rejected here, start to come down, we can look for that wave 3 to the downside. And if we were, that's what I think is the more probable scenario. If we were to come up and break 1231, it would invalidate that, and we'd have to focus on a more bullish impulse to the upside. All right, guys, make sure to sign up to Bybit, up to $30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. I gotta close that door. Email me your sign-up email, and I will give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns. Let me go to the chart channel here. Talking all things crypto, and at the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Recently locked in some juicy gains on a Bitcoin short, which I gave a signal for in the Discord. That's accessible for 10 USD per month. All links in the comments and in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.